Nkosana Makate and the giant Vodacom have finally reached a settlement. In a landmark resolution that brings closure to nearly 2 decades of legal battles, Vodacom has settled its contentious dispute with Kenneth Nkosana Makate over the widely popular Please Call Me feature. The settlement reached out of court on November 4th, 2023, which marks the end of a saga which started in 2001. The case revolved around Makate's Please Call Me mechanism that was put into use by Vodacom. What was intended to be a straightforward compensation agreement spiraled into a protracted legal battle. Makate argued that Vodacom had agreed to compensate him for his contribution, a claim that a company staunchly denied. The first significant judgment came in 2014 from the High Court, which confirmed the existence of a contract between the two parties but ruled that Vodacom was not bound by it. Undeterred, Makate appealed the decision, leading to a drawn-out process that saw the case traverse various levels of judiciary. In a pivotal ruling in 2016, South Africa's Constitutional Court determined that Makate was indeed entitled to negotiate for reasonable compensation based on his idea. The court mandated that if negotiations faltered, Vodacom CEO Shamil Joseph would make the final call on the compensation amount. Negotiations took a turbulent turn when Joseph's offer of 47 million rand was turned down by Makate, who also argued that the worth of his idea far exceeded that sum. The legal tussle intensified, culminating into February 2024 ruling from the Supreme Court of Appeal, which ruled that Makate was entitled to between 5% and 7.5% of the revenue generated from the Please Call Me service over an estimated 18-year period, a potential sum that could run into billions of rands. Faced with the prospect of heavy payments, Vodacom sought leave to appeal this ruling. Yet, in an unexpected change of course, the telecommunication giant announced on Thursday, November 5th, 2025, that its board had approved the settlement amount, so thus withdrawing its appeal and abandoning the February judgment in the High Court. While specific details of the settlement remain undisclosed, Vodacom expressed satisfaction that the matter has reached a conclusion, stating, "Shareholders are hereby advised that on the 4th November 2025, the Vodacom board approved a settlement agreement and the matter was settled by the parties out of court. The parties are glad that the finality has been reached in this regard." The recent settlement has already been factored into the company's interim results for the 6 month ending September 30th, 2025.